So, welcome to the virtual launch event of Noordi. I'm Justinas Petravičius, Sales Director at company Tututis. We are here today at the forest, the incredible forest in Lithuania, where we're going to present you the Noordi rebranding and the new collections. We are glad that you joined all the milestones during the Noordi journey. Today we are ready to make a big step concerning the sustainability and the new Noordi path to bring the news for the market. I would like to invite you to meet the Noordi collections and the new brand which we're going to follow during the years. For more than 25 years we have been creating solutions to simplify parenthood, taking into consideration every detail, optimal balance and ease of comfort, and use no matter the weather or terrain. Inspired by our Nordic nature and based on Scandinavian design and quality, we are here to inspire you and take you for a stroll on the Northern way. So let's start the journey together.
Parenting is a journey. Sometimes it can feel like an ocean breeze. Sometimes it's a rocky path. As you become a parent, you start paying attention to those little things that make life meaningful. Listening to the laughter of a loved one, feeling the comfort of one's touch, and experiencing new beginnings together. No matter if it's your first journey or you are an advanced explorer, we are here for you, to guide you, to inspire you, and to comfort you on your parenting journey. With Noordi, you will be ready for any weather or road conditions. So let's go for a stroll the Northern way.
At Noordi, we would like to contribute to a more sustainable world, show high-quality, innovative products, manufactured sustainably, and which inspires the parents to be more active and live a more active lifestyle with their kids. Having the environment in mind, the manufacturing processes are more concentrated and focused to be more sustainable. The ultimate goal of our manufacturing cycle is to bring up the better products, the higher quality products and better engineered products for the consumers in the markets. To achieve this goal, we implement unique engineering solutions to our daily and long-term plans. The Scandinavian design offers effortless rides in any conditions and any terrains. The highly skilled Nordie engineers develops the products that are more innovative each day, and the design guarantees a better consumer acceptance. Our consumers have a high-quality expectations. For this reason, we developed the Noordi brand as a high-quality product for their daily use. The foundations of our sustainability program and our reshaping the brand comes into 3 points. First one, the Northern waste philosophy. The second one, sustainable manufacturing. And the third one, the Scandinavian design quality. As our ethos are changing, the main Nordie icon is changing too, to clearly represent the values that we're going to share with you. The new icon of Noordi is the arrow pointing north. It has the multiple reasons why we like it so much. The first one, the arrow pointing north, represents from where the Noordi is coming from. It's the north of the Europe. Usually this icon represents how the travelers are seeking for their path. Moreover, as we see, the parenting is a journey too. It takes us from starting a position in life when we know zero about parenting, and it takes during the experiences, things in life, when we are becoming and when the parents are becoming a hero of their child. So it takes from zero to becoming your child's hero. Here at Noordi, we would like to show parents how to explore the nature, and that's what we are passionate about. Noordi would like to contribute to a more sustainable world by having a high-quality, innovative products which are manufactured by a sustainable way. Also, it enables the customers to live an active lifestyle, explore the nature with their children, and see the world. Having the environment in mind, we would like to present that our path is to be more sustainable during the manufacturing process. To achieve this goal, we aim to have the highest standards in our manufacturing process, as well as the development and sales. The Scandinavian design of the product offers a better quality and higher expectations for the customers. Following our sustainability goals, we make more conscious decisions towards manufacturing in a more sustainable or so-called eco-friendly way. At Nordie, we optimize the usage of solar panels energy. Also, we're implementing the recycling programs during our manufacturing process. In this manner, we are reducing CO2 emissions by 30% comparing what was used before. Moreover, like 50% of energy used during the manufacturing process is taken from renewable energy sources. We encourage all our employees to think about the nature and recycling programs as well. With sustainability in mind, we started upcycling the garments to give them a new life. Over 25 years of experience in manufacturing baby strollers has led to share this experience and build the production cycle which is more efficient. Over the years, we have robotized the complex process of manufacturing the strollers. Also, we have invested in clever solutions which enables us to have a more efficient way of producing the baby strollers, do not have the overstocks of the materials and products as well, and have the products on demand. Every Nordie product is made with love and great attention to details, which enables us to bring a best customer experience for their parents and their children. Each of the products are handcrafted and with great love, and this leads to the fact that we employ more than 200 talented people which are working on the product itself to give the best possible features for daily usage and for the parents. Together we create something extraordinary and something different what we haven't seen before in the markets. We also continuously make improvement for our impact for the environment, which is, of course, need to be lowered each time. While at the same time we make sure they meet our highest demand for user-friendliness, safety, quality. To make sure that our products meet our high demand for their function and quality, we created triple test system. Let's have a look at all those 3 phases that Nordie products undergo during this testing process. Here at Nordie, we test products above this industry set requirements. The newest strollers undergo rigorous stability test, uneven surfaces test, protective zone test, and environmental tests to make sure parents and their babies are safe whenever the journey will take them. In the second step, the Nordie strollers are tested according to EN safety requirements to meet all the need requirements in the European Union. We believe that real-life situations cannot fully be replicated in a laboratory. That's why we launched a testing program which enables parents to use the strollers in their daily life. With all 3 phases, we can ensure that the products can meet highest standards in the quality, aesthetics, engineering parts, and safety. We believe that great products should have a longer life. Once precisely made and perfectly tailored strollers should be raised not only by one child. For this reason, we would like to extend the Nordie warranty for 2 + 1 year to customers who are using the product according to the guidelines. By this program, we want to inspire our clients and the customers to create a positive impact on the environment, starting with the changing method of using the stroller. So let's start with Lunair Trails. Lunair Trails was designed to be more flexible for any conditions or any terrains. And now I would like to invite you to meet the new product in Lithuanian island village, Nida, where you will fall in love with the new product. So Lunair Trails have ultralight thermocaricot, which we call it thermocoat, an adjustable rear shock absorption system, and the second generation real gel wheels, which are even softer than it was before, but at the same time they are very durable. Extendable shopping bag, redesigned chassis hinges, unlocking mechanism, handle adjusters, a new branded logo on both sides, the new design backpack, which we received before from the feedback from the customers, and the magnetic seat belt buckle with the 5-point harnesses. Lunair Trails will now have 5 nature-inspired colors: the Midnight Forest Green, Ocean Wave Moonrock, and the new one, Ocean Blue. So now let's meet updated Nordie Fjord. It is a top-selling product from Nordie family. This year it's been awarded as a gold medal during the Mums2Be Awards. Nordie Fjord is popular for its thermocoat cradle, which is lightweight and thermoregulated. Also, second generation real gel wheels been added to this model. And at last, it has the new icon on the chassis. So the Nordie Fjord now will have the new color, which is fern. It's been added to the color palette of the Nordie Fjord. I would like to introduce the star of the show, our latest creation, Nordie Aqua. Inspired by a perfect water flow and ocean majesty, we are ready to launch the Nordie Aqua collection. Let us take you to Copenhagen to see and admire the stroller we created. Scandi design and ergonomic solutions in the Aqua are the one things that sets apart from the other products. Ultralight and foldable caricot, compact and folding durable chassis, smart amortization system, and adjustable lateral shock absorption, as you see here, are the ones and things and many more are installed in the Aqua product. These features in Aqua provide the comfort and ready for the discovery across the environment. With Aqua, your stroll will be as smooth as water flow. Together with each Aqua stroller, customers will get a complimentary gift: 3-shaped pacifier for their babies. This gift is a part of our upcycling program to creatively reuse the materials which were left out when sewing the caricot. The tactile side of the clothes is pleasant to touch for the newborns due to the tactile cotton fabric. And now I would like to present you the seat unit of Aqua. First of all, the seat unit has a hood ventilation and the extension are included. Also, the regulation of the hood is now smoother and does not make any sounds. Also, the magnetic clasp is being installed in the seat unit. This premium style stroller is lighter and more compact, giving parents an ease of mind. When folded together with the seat unit, it only takes 39 centimeters, so it will fit even in the smallest car. I would like to welcome the fact that Nordie brand started making conscious decisions towards becoming a fully sustainable brand which offers high-quality products that are manufactured responsibly. We hope that our mission will inspire future parents to live actively with their babies and grow an environmentally aware society. Nordie brand is already loved across Europe, and by introducing these latest products, we aim to enhance customer experience and make Nordie top choice for parents who seek for a stylish Scandinavian stroller for active strolls. Tomorrow we are going to send you a summary of this presentation. Also, a recording of this video will be available after the show. Thank you all for being here today and taking the time to hear the newest and latest updates from Nordie. We do hope that the Nordie brand and the changes that we are inspiring and we are moving forward is going to inspire you as well. Thank you for your time and have a pleasant day.